outside the International Space Station, as Sergei Osipov reported to Oleg Skripochka and Dmitry Kondrachev that their efforts to install this new antenna system and route its cables to connectors that will bring the signal inside this station appear to have been successful. Of course, that's just an initial report of telemetry that they're getting a good continuity with the connections and cables. There's no plans to send data on the system just yet, but they are reporting that there's good telemetry reported from that new system, which is known as the Radio Technical System for Information Transfer. Again, this is an experimental system that's designed to allow large data files to be downlinked from the Russian segment of the station using radio technology, and it's hoped that they'll be able to reach speeds of about 100 megabytes a second with this new antenna system and cabling.
After they connect.
We're now 2 hours and 16 minutes into today's spacewalk by Skripochka and Kondrachev.
Covered with MLI flaps. Then we're going to do the posigrade step. Okay, we got the cover, but the rings are mixed up. Copy. I can try and do the removal, but we are risking losing several covers. Oleg, in that case, don't do it. Copy. VVZU connector is closed with MLI. Oleg, we see it. Make sure that the hardware connectors are not stuck under the flap. Okay, excellent. Did you demate them on plate 20? Negative, not yet. We'll do it right now. Yes, Oleg, please go ahead. Please go ahead, and again, no rush. Take your time. Okay. If I remember correctly, here we got 2-2, 2-3, and 2-4. Oleg, we had a short com dropout. On plate 20, we disconnect. We demate the following connectors: 20-2, 20-3, and 20-4. Affirm. Okay, 22 is demated. Sergei, this is Dmitry. I have secured cable with wire ties. Slack is removed. One end of cable is stowed in the cable holder. I closed out the connectors with covers. Copy that, Dima. Now, please select a comfortable position for yourself, closer to plane 1 behind the truss, in order to start the satellite launch sequence. Laughing. Copy that. And Dima, on MCC go only. Copy. Three connectors, numbers 2, 3, and 4 have been demated. Copy.
Олег, может, чуть-чуть передохнешь?
Oleg, do you want to take a small break?
Сейчас посмотрим, сейчас как там еще будет.
Oh, let me see.
Да, просто сейчас клапан закрой.
It's just that you will close the clapper now and then take a look.
Тогда он будет заниматься отбросом.
Make sure you are seeing Dima as he performs the jettison. Well, I wouldn't miss that view.
Так, не видно ничего. Вот сейчас
Easy. Can you see now? Yes, now we can see well.
место выберу.
Let me try to find a good location.
Все нормально.
Yes, Dima. Looks good.
Так, ну вот так.
You're looking good. How about this position? We copy.
Так, там у нас стоит прогресс.
Okay.
Батарея. Да, вот.
There's a progress there.
Да.
I'm going to try not to hit it.
Как мы договорились, а лучше...
Okay, Dima. As discussed, don't use the handle. Use the body
Так.
of the unit. Okay, let me try to get a good restraint on my foot.
Ближе к земле или в пространство, какие лучше векторы быть?
Okay, Sergey, should I point towards edge of the earth or simply posigrade?
Ну там самый конус 30 градусов.
Well, you have about a 30-degree cone. Okay, in that case, I am ready.
Поехали.
Oleg is ready? Ready. Dima, you have a go. Stand by 1.
This is Mission Control Houston. Dmitry Kondratyev jettisoning the reel that held the cable that was used for the installation of this antenna system at 10:52 a.m. Central Time.
Of the object.
Radar systems being used to track the departure of that cable reel.
Yes, Oleg, thank you. We have views from other cameras, so disregard that and concentrate on Dima. Okay. The lead is assembled. And I will jettison in the same direction. Copy. You have a go.
Готов?
Ready? Go ahead.
And so at 10:53 a.m. Central Time,
Okay, guys.
Dmitry Kondratyev jettisoning the hatbox-shaped cover for the antenna that they installed on the outside of the Zvezda service module. The two jettisons took place separately, but immediately after one another, which should provide much easier tracking for the folks using radar systems to follow along from the International Space Station's radar systems. That completes the activities for the installation of this high data rate camera system on board the outside of the Zvezda service module, the first major task of this spacewalk.